Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see what is exclusive OR in Power Query M language. So here I have a table with name, age. Okay. So I want to select the rows where name is Jim or age is 2 years. Okay. So where Jim and age 2 years should not be selected. So the rows which are selected is Jim, this row, okay, because name is Jim and age is not 2 years, and Ran because name is Ran but age is 2, so age is 2, that's why it will get selected, and Jim 5 because name is Jim, okay, guys, and the Jim 2, these two rows will not be selected because it's exclusive or whether name should be Jim or age is 2 years, okay. So let's see this. Let's go to advanced editor. Okay, so here we'll write step. Okay, let's say select rows. Select rows equal to table dot select rows. Okay, table dot select rows. Take the previous step, change the type. Okay, each. Okay, a column of name. Okay, so column of name. Okay, let's take the square brackets, column of the name equal to Jim. Okay, so this should not be equal to column of age. Okay, let's take the square brackets, age equal to 2. Okay, so this is exclusive or in Power Query M language. This symbol not equal to is exclusive or in Power Query M language. Okay, guys, so this is closed here, then the selected rows should be the bottom in. Okay, so see now whether name is Jim or age is 2. So our answer is correct. Here in first row, the name is Jim, but age is not 2, it is 4. That's why it's selected. And second row, name is Ran, but age is 2. That's why it is selected. And third row, name is Jim and age is 5. That's why it's selected. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyanvi Tutorials for more such amazing Power Query M language videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.